This is a simple 3D plate model where we encounter zero reaction forces. These are found here in this point, and also in this point and over here. These reaction forces are obviously not within our expectations. When the reaction forces are not okay, meaning they are zero when you don't expect them to be zero, the internal forces will also be incorrect and therefore not reliable. We first need to find the cause and solve this issue before we can continue with the design of the structure. Going back to the geometry, at first sight, there seems nothing wrong with the model. We can even take a look at the mesh and everything seems to be okay. I will ask for point numbers to be displayed on screen. Normally, in a proper structural model, all points are unique. On a closer look, and you have to look really closely, we see that the point numbers are drawn over each other, over here. It means that the points themselves are extremely close to each other, so close that it's impossible to distinct them with the naked eye. This is the cause of the problem. The points are not unique where we expect them to be unique. It should be noted, and it was already visible in the reaction forces, that the occurrence of the double point is not identical to the location of the zero reactions. Any double point in a structure can lead to a zero reaction force at any location. Now, how can we solve this? We will perform a structure verification, and not only for this point, but for the whole structure. This is to be sure that we solve all similar problems, not just the ones or the one that we have detected. So I'm selecting the whole structure and I'm opening the dialog window for structure verification. I enter a geometric tolerance of 3 centimeters and select join points at short distance from each other. This means that all selected points that are closer to one another than the tolerance of 3 centimeters will be joined into one point. And I hit OK. We immediately see that the points are renumbered, double points have been joined, and all the points are now unique. We can now recalculate. Looking at the reaction forces, we now see that there are no more zero reactions. Other results, such as internal forces, will now be reliable and we can continue with the design of the structure.